Hello students, welcome in English class, and today we will start with the grammar topic, that is speech writing. How to write a speech. Firstly, what is speech? When we speak in front of audience, in front of people, when we share our views or ideas, that we call speech. So, speech writing. Speech is written to express views in public, when we express our views in public. Present tense is usually used while writing a speech. We always use present tense because we are presenting our ideas in front of others. So it should be in present form. How somewhere we use past form too. So we divided speech writing into three parts: introduction, main body, conclusion. Your introduction is your first para and it should be short. Just introduce your topic, introduce yourself and give greetings. In second para, that is the main body. Here you will use maximum words. Conclusion, third para, it should be short. Here you will just give some suggestions regarding your topic, some ideas to improve that situation. So now we will see it in brief. In first para, introduction. So before starting, firstly you will just give it heading that your speech is about. You will write down the heading. Before greeting the audience, you can also use some effective lines to impress your audience. Then greet the audience by saying good morning, good afternoon, hello everyone. Then introduce yourself that today I am standing in front of you to share my views on the topic. Introduce your topic. Here you will tell about your topic. You can explain your topic into 2 or 3 lines. Then main body. We comes to main body. In main body, we can mention facts, arguments, examples, detail, definitions, comparisons, statistics, data, all things. Explain your topic in detail in an interesting manner. So you should explain your topic in detail but in an interesting manner so that audience will listen you. Reader may also be impressed. You get a good impression of your speech writing. Then at last, conclusion, motivate the audience to think and act. You can suggest some points here. Give the audience some hope. Conclude the topic in 3 or 4 lines. Thanks the audience. So this is a way that how to write a speech. Now we will see one example. As Mukul or Mahima of ALPS Public School write a speech to be delivered in school assembly, highlighting the importance of cleanliness, suggesting that the state of cleanliness reflects the character of its citizens. 150 to 200 words, it is its word limit. Now, importance of cleanliness. In the words of the great John Wesley, cleanliness is next to godliness. So there are some effective lines before starting the speech. Firstly heading, then some effective lines. If you are having, then you can write down. If you don't, suppose you are not having any good line to start, then you can just start with good morning. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today I Mukul Mahima stand before all you to highlight the importance of cleanliness. Now you will start your topic. Cleanliness is the state or quality of being clean or being kept clean. It is essential for everyone to learn about cleanliness, hygiene, sanitation, and the various diseases that are caused due to poor hygienic conditions. It is crucial for physical well-being and maintaining a healthy environment at home and at school. Unclean environment is an invitation for a lot of mosquitoes to breed in and spread deadly diseases. On the other hand, not maintaining personal hygiene lead to a lot of skin problems and decreased immunity. The habits learned at a young age get embedded into one's personality. Even if we inculcate certain habits like washing hands before and after meals, regular brushing and bathing from a young age, we are not bothered about keeping public places clean. For this, on 2nd October 2014, the Indian Prime Minister launched a nation-wide cleanliness campaign, Swachh Bharat, to provide sanitation facilities to every family, include toilets, solid and liquid waste disposal systems, village cleanliness campaign, Swachh Bharat, to provide sanitation facility to every family. Sorry, I repeat the lines. Teachers and students of school are joining this Clean India campaign very actively with great fervor and joy. Good health will ensure a healthy mind, which will lead to increased overall productivity, resulting in high standard of living, thus developing the economy. It will boost India's international image. Thus, a clean environment is a green environment with less people falling in. Cleanliness, hence, is defined to be the emblem of purity of mind. Thank you. So, this is the way how to write a speech. I think now the topic is clear with all of you. Solve your assignment. Have a great day.